There's gonna be more birds coming.
Oh my God, it's Ronaldo. It's Mario. Mario. Whoa.
Please don't mind the background. I'm sorry, guys. It's noise I can't control. Whoa. Oh man, you missed it. There's a little bird right there. Whoa. Look at all those birds, guys. It's pretty cool. There's more over there. Yeah, there's some birds right there, and that's a crow or something, I think. Or no, that's a seagull. I don't know if you see. Shh. Stop. Please. I'm sorry, guys. Where are they all coming from? Where are those featherheads coming from? It's a red airplane. Super rare. I wonder what it is. Come on, focus phone.
You cannot catch me. No, me.
There we go. I wonder what that is. That's a red airplane. I have no idea what it is. You guys know what it is? Comment down below. Whoa. Shh. Stop. Another couple of birds. There's birds in a red helicopter.
Oh, I see him. Caught you.
More birds.
Shh. You cannot catch me.
Leland. Whoa, that's a whole bunch of bigger groups keep coming. There's some flying away. I see some more. Ah, my phone's blurry now.
Catch me! To win. I win.
There's that one, and there's another one right there. A lot of birds and airplanes. And here's a regular one right here. Cool. A lot of them. Man, you missed that.
Oh, see, you found it. That
That's
looks
cool.
good. Oh, look, what's that?
There, that's better.